Hey all, let's share what I have built so far. As you can see, Skyflow, a ground control system which is for your drone that you have in your home maybe. So here what we want to build is, uh, as you can see, right, plan autonomous flight sequences for your drone's next mission maybe. So let's do that. So we would like our drone to transit to this location from its current location first, and then let's do an orbit scan of this particular area of this park that we have in front of us. And now let's move forward. We see another park which is a bigger one, so let's do a grid scan of this bigger park to know um, the footfalls of these people that are visiting this place. And now once we are uh, happy with this grid scan area, it's prompting me to hit this button of complete area. So now it knows, okay, this is the area that we need to do a grid scan of. Then let's plan for a delivery to a nearby location because we have a payload attached to our drone. It's very much capable. So let's do a delivery over here, and then let's do a transit. We want to travel to this small park over here too, and then we would also like to transit to our very first location. Let's do a nearby one. Now we can see in our mission control panel we have our flight sequences described pretty well. Now before moving to this small park, uh, or before doing this delivery, we would like to go to this small park and then do a delivery, and then do a transit to our last waypoint or our first location where we started off. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can just grab this and move it ahead. Wow, now we would be transiting first over here to this small park, and then we would be doing a delivery, which we can see in generate mission. Once we hit the generate mission, it has generated all the waypoints of your drone's path. Now um, we have a change in plan. Let's do what we wanted way before. So let's do a delivery first and then transit to this small park. So we can again generate the mission. Now it has, okay, now it has created the waypoints accordingly, so it's working nice. Now let's go ahead and hit the launch mission. Now our drone is over here, it has took off. Wow, nice. It's doing the orbit scan. Now while it's doing the orbit scan, let's look into this status bar below. It's giving us a lot of information. The status is right now executing the mission. Great. The mode is guided because we have defined the entire waypoint of the path that it's going to cover. It's also providing us the information of the latitude and the longitude of the current drone's position and the altitude it's maintaining at the moment, and it's armed because the next thing it's going to do is do a delivery. So it's armed with the delivery package that you want to deliver to your friend's home, which is over here. So it has almost completed the area scan. Now it's ready for payload delivery. So it has done that, and now it's transiting to this small park where it does nothing, just moves back to the very first location where we have started. So that's pretty much about this system. It has a lot of scope for improvement, which I'm looking forward to. Like here we are just having a map visual. I would like to have a real-time visual, and so with that I would like to end this. Like this is kind of a simulation that I've created right now. It's not a real drone that's actually flying and it's showing that locations of that drone. Rather, it's just a simulation of a drone, and that would be the next thing that I would like to implement, like a real drone flying and it's just showing up the real-time statistics of that drone. So there's a lot of room for improvement and new features that we can add to it, but the main purpose was to have this mission control system for your drone to do some complex mission that you would like your drone to achieve. So that's it. Thank you. Hope you would like it, and if you'd like it, just support it. it gives a lot of enthusiasm to do something of this sort. Thank you.